Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well. Before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, on this video, I want to show you 2 postcards you can mail that allows you to make $100 commissions over and over and over again. All right, the first one right here, the blue one. Okay, this one pays out instantly when someone joins from your link or if they join from your marketing number. We all have our own personal marketing number. Mine is on my card, 845-253-6408. When someone joins you from either one of those, you're paid instantly and directly from that person, okay? As you can see on the card, I have some payment proof on there. You can get paid any way you like, guys. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, PayPal, Bitcoin, any way you want, okay? 100 bucks over and over and over again. We have training that's included. You're gonna get one-on-one ongoing support from me. This program is only $150 to get in, okay? $150, you're in. I give you my personal custom postcard, okay? So, 100 bucks instantly with this one. This one is called the Cash Cow. This one pays out $100 on level 1 and $100 on level 2. What that means is when you sign up someone and they start mailing out their postcards and someone joins them, you also gonna get paid, okay? So you get paid on 2 tiers. Tier 1, directly from your efforts, and then you get paid when your team makes 100 bucks, you make 100 bucks, okay? This one comes with 100 postcards. The company sends you 100 postcards, just like mine, okay? When you join me in this one, I'm going to give you 200 leads to get you started, okay? This one is $300 to get started, okay? So, Cash Cow 100 or join this one. This is Textbot. I'm going to give you 200 leads with this one as well. Either one, you're going to get 200 leads from me. My one-on-one support, marketing resources that I use, okay? There you have it. Folks have been calling saying, hey, what type of postcard do you have where I can make $100 commissions? Here they are, okay? So, I'm gonna put a link below. The Cash Cow does not come with a website, but I created a link just for you guys so that you can go ahead and get a copy of my postcard, print it out, and mail it in. Go to www.ezpostcardincome.com. I'll put the link below. And then this one, just dial this number right from your smartphone. You can actually sign up right from your smartphone for this one, okay? Because it's instant pay, and you're set up instantly, guys, with this one, okay? So, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Till next time, see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day. Be safe out there.